Scrapbook peeps, Suzanna here today with my latest Tuesday morning haul. This was a nice paper pad haul. It was an expensive paper pad haul, but still a good savings when you think of what a paper pad costs. I just need to find somebody to split the paper pads with. I will start with these and then I'll go to these. So there were lots and lots of paper packs. I am not a Bo Bunny fan, so I left the Bo Bunny for somebody else who that is their thing. But I did get these. I got these primarily because I do like the A sides, but I am more of a B side person, and I will use these patterns over and over and over again, which makes the $3.99 worth it. And in many ways, where was the one? I'll show you. They could be, although they're different manufacturers, a kit. So those go well together, and then this is the pattern that I thought would go, that would go with that, and that would go with that in a way. It's a different kind of a more mixed media-y thing, but and then that would not go, but that would not go. The blue, I thought that would kind of make a cool kit. Anyway, so I will take one out of each because they're in their packaging and show you. So this is Pink Paisley, and this is Paige Evans, and this is their 25 packs. So I opened them so that I could get one out easily to show you, but easily is not quite what's happening here. So it's this yellow notebook on one side, and then it's the socks on the other side. So I really liked that, and I know I'll get lots of use out of that. Then this is Photo Play from the Hey, oh, if you wanted to see, so $3.99, and that is the product locator there. This is Photo Play Hey Cupcake. Again, I got this for the orange stripes. And then you have the cupcakes on that side there. I likely will not use this. This is what I bought that for. And again, that's $3.99, and there is the product locator number there. So I thought long and hard about this one. This is the Wildflower collection. I do like both sides of this. I really liked that the tags, and I know I liked this, so I figure I'll use both sides of this. This is sort of more whimsical and less clean and simple like I tend to do, but I did really like that. And that's upside down, so, and there's that product locator number. And Chamel Sparkle City. Purples are hard to find, lavenders, whatever you want to call it, and so I really liked this, that it was mixed. So I like that floral. I can see fussy cutting it and maybe doing some more pink dots off of it, and then I use a lot of navy, but I liked that. So, and that product locator number. So you can see from these that $25 basically is what a normal 25 pack costs, and I got it for $4. So while it added up, I will get probably years worth of use out of this. So back to Pink Paisley and Paige Evans, and whoops, this I can see fussy cutting and using as triangles. So that's why I bought it. I like that pinky orangey salmony kind of color with the purple. See, while the orange doesn't really go, the dots go, and it has that purple in it, so there's potential. There's definitely potential. So, and there's the base side of that, and then you probably want to see that. And then the last paper pack that I got, this is crepe paper. This is Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. I love this collection, and I will use both sides of this. I love the map, and the frames and the tags. And then this, I loved this when this came out, and I'm glad that I was able to find this because I use a lot of blue with my swimmers. So those were the paper packs, the investment in paper pads that I got. Then they had some Bella Boulevard, and you all know I'm a Bella Boulevard fan, and I will go over that in a second. There should be a paper stack. Oh, it fell. Give me 1 second to pick that up. So before I get to that, there was this Bo Bunny binder. So it is a 8x9 binder, and I don't know about December Daily. I try it every year, and there's the option of doing it again this year, and this is what I would use. They did have the pages that go into this, but I didn't like the format of the pages, so I will find something else that will fit in that. Otherwise I can always punch holes in it, but I really liked that notebook. And for, here it is, $5.99, $6. You can't go wrong with that for a book. Normally $15. So then on to the Bella Boulevard. So they had 2 paper collections. The other one was the Secrets of the Sea, and I think it was the girl version of Secrets of the Sea. I have that, and so I did not pick that up. But I did not get this bug collection when it came out, and the ladybugs, yeah, I think I may have gotten pieces of this, but for $6.99, there's a product locator number. I was happy to get that. So you get the stickers, and you get 8 double-sided pattern papers, as well as the sticker. Hold on. So I'll just quickly show you. So you get the stickers, and then you get the pattern papers, the borders, the stripes. I love those stripes, and those bugs, I love them. And the clouds, ladybugs, the grass, more bugs, and that. So I thought that was good value for money. And then there's actually 2 sets of stickers in here. So I think there are 2 sets of stickers. There should be 2 sets of stickers in here. Nope. Yes. So you get your, sorry. No, is it only 1 sticker sheet? Yep, it's only 1 sticker sheet. I swear this has got a different, nope, 1 sticker sheet. So yeah, still good value for money. Then they also had the this plaids and dots. So you get all those colors in the dots, and then you get big plaids and little plaids, differing size of plaids. So kind of more basic, more like those B-sides that I gravitate towards. They were $6.99. Because I do gravitate towards that, especially for Bella Boulevard, I did buy both of these. Then I really like Bella Boulevard stickers. I use a lot of these plain ones. They have started to incorporate much more sayings, but I'll get use out of that. Definitely the alpha. So you have the girl collection of Secrets of the Sea, and then you have the boy collection of Secrets of the Sea. And I have used a lot of this collection because of these fish and my swimmers. So you might have glare on that because of the packaging. So let me take that out for you. So there's the boy collection, and then there is the girl collection, and there is the product locator number if that's something you're interested in there. And then last but not least, also from Bella Boulevard, this is the Addison collection. This is the, I thought I split this, I'm sorry. So they had, I forget what the boy collection was called. I think it was Max. I may be wrong. I use a lot of the embellishments from that. It had a really cool sneaker, and so here is the 6x8 paper pad that goes with that. I love those feathers. And then the B-sides, polkas, gems. I love those triangles. I'm going to turn this sideways, I'm sorry. Otherwise I keep hitting my tripod. More smaller polkas, headsets for music, and a buffalo plaid, kind of funky stripes. I bet you on the camera that's a little busy. Another buffalo stripe, but blue and black. Black and white stripes, simple. And the whales kind of makes me think of vineyard vines, and then that repeats. But also I really do like just those plain cardstocks. So for my 6x6 paper pad class, while this is 6x8, I might have something I could do with that, and actually use up these paper pads that I tend to show you. So that's it for today. I hope you're doing well. See you again soon. Take care.